Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Cash App without Social Security number. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App. Once it's open, look at the top right-hand corner and you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. After that, scroll down and find the section labeled Security and Privacy. Tap on Security and Privacy and it will open a new screen. Once it's open, scroll through until you find Identity Verification. Here you'll see a message saying verify your info to help us prevent fraud on Cash App. Tap Verify. After tapping, you'll need to provide your personal information. The first step is to confirm your details by tapping on Personal Info. This will bring up a new screen. Here, enter your legal first name and last name. After that, tap Next. Next, you will need to enter your date of birth. Input the month, date, and year, and then tap Next. This is the standard verification process. Once you've tapped Next, you'll be asked to enter your SSN, or Social Security number. This step is crucial because Cash App asks for it to prevent fraud and to help you as a customer. They won't use it for any other purpose like checking your credit score. If you have your SSN, it is recommended that you provide it to complete verification. However, if for any reason you don't have an SSN, there is another way to verify your account. Go back to your profile by tapping the icon in the top right-hand corner. Scroll down until you find the Family section. Tap on Family. Here, you can create a sponsored account. To do this, you'll need a family member who already has a verified Cash App account. That family member can invite you to use their details to create your own Cash App account. With a sponsored account, all you need is a family member who has already registered and verified their account with their documents. They can invite you, and you can register your own account using their verification. This is allowed by Cash App. So, the only way to bypass using an SSN is by creating a sponsored account.